3D printing is revolutionizing education, but how do we protect the intellectual property behind these innovative tools? This is the core focus of today's analysis. 3D printing tools are transforming learning, offering students hands-on experiences with complex concepts. This integration of technology and education, known as edtech, brings up important IP questions. The edtech space, particularly with 3D printing, needs robust intellectual property protection to safeguard innovation and investment. The IP must be clear and enforceable. Our first strategy focuses on protecting the 3D model design itself. This includes the geometric form and ornamentation of the model used in educational settings. When protecting 3D models, innovators must consider both utility and design patents. Utility patents protect function, while design patents cover the aesthetic appearance of the model. The second key strategy is to patent the educational method itself, specifically the novel steps and processes involved in using 3D printing to teach specific concepts. Patent claims can focus on the unique method of instruction, such as combining digital design, 3D printing, and interactive learning to achieve a particular educational outcome. Our third IP strategy is to protect the underlying hardware and software of the 3D printer or associated design programs, especially features tailored for educational use. Focusing on unique features means patenting things like specialized safety protocols for student users or software interfaces designed for simple educational design processes. EdTech innovators must strategically balance licensing models with open source principles. Licensing is critical for revenue, while limited open sourcing can drive adoption in schools. Enforcement can be challenging in educational settings due to nonprofit use and general IP awareness. Clear communication and educational licensing are vital. 3D printing in edtech is poised for growth. Effective IP strategies, protecting models, methods, and machinery will be crucial for its sustained innovation and expansion.